Welcome back to this YouTube channel, my mistake. Now, those with MTN Uganda SIM card, we have now something working. You are free to check out our YouTube channel, and then once you check out our YouTube channel, you're going to go to YouTube and then search my mistake. And then once you search my mistake, you're going to go in the bio. That is the channel I'm talking about. I'm going to go in the bio and then tap on our WhatsApp number where you have WhatsApp me. Then I'll be providing it for you. Now today is Saturday, May 9th, 2026. It is working, and if you want it, you can come with 10k. Then we connect you to that. I'll give you a video on how to set it up at 10k. So thanks. Let's meet in the next tutorials. MTN Uganda.